Hey, what's up geeks, Ian here and welcome back to Pinoy Metro Geek channel, and today we are doing something special. We will be unboxing a 10,000 worth of Rockspace devices stuffed in a mystery box. Let's go!
Let's go.
Before we proceed, please give us some love by subscribing to this channel, hitting that bell icon, and you can also give this video a thumbs up. To those who did not know yet, Rockspace is a premium accessory device maker and is currently one of the fastest rising accessory brand in the Philippines. It has partnered with several smartphone makers like Oppo and many more to come. Okay, so I will not keep you wait any longer. Let the 10K mystery box unboxing begin. First off, we get the Mutop Bluetooth earphone. This is well suited for active users who wanted to have a good juice out of their Bluetooth earphones. On paper, it could stretch up to 7 hours of playback. The Mutop Bluetooth earphones is lightweight and comes with a magnetic design with metal housing. And as for the price, it's practically priced at 1,999 pesos. Our next item would be the W23 Wireless Charge Air Vent Car Mount. I know the name is such a mouthful, but living up to its moniker, it's a vent-type car mount that has wireless charging capability. Rockspace says it supports fast charging, probably with the use of Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. We are a fan of this gadget since it keeps charging dangle-free inside our car. We think that it is priced reasonably at 1,899 pesos. The next one is the Rockspace Heat Dissipation Game Grip. It has an integrated 1200 mAh power bank and a physical air dissipation mechanism inside the game grip itself. This means that you can charge your phone while playing games and not worry about overheating your device since it comes with a dual fan engine. It also offers a kickstand feature so you can keep your phone upright or when you try to use this for watching content. The Heat Dissipation Game Grip is priced at 999 pesos. Moving on, we have the Rockspace Sugar Travel Charger. This wall brick offers 4 slots. This means that you can charge up to 4 devices using a single charge brick. It has a foldable plug design which definitely adds more portability. It is thermal resistant and draws 4 amperes of output current and is priced at 899 pesos. But of course, this wouldn't be a mystery box without having a power bank. And in this case, we have the P66 Mini 10,000 mAh power bank. It's a unique power bank since it comes with a digital display and is only priced at 1,299 pesos. Up next is the high tensile 3-in-1 charging cable which supports USB Type-C, Lightning, and micro USB ports. Its nylon braided cable construction makes it even durable. This 1,200mm long cable has a plug-and-play capabilities and it's priced at 599 pesos. Lastly, we get the Muse Bluetooth Premium Speaker. This diamond-shaped speaker exudes glass due to its fabric design. Its sound quality is also in high bars. You can get this at 2,499 pesos. So that's the wrap. Thank you for watching geeks, and for more information about Rockspace products, you can follow them in Instagram and Facebook. And as always, see you in the next one. Bye!